example 3. Determine the signs of the following products and give a reason. Do not do the multiplication. Okay? I don't care what the answer is. I just want to know if it's positive or negative and why. Mitchell, what do you think?
Positive because negative 4. Because negative 4 times negative 3 is 12, and then all the other ones are positive.
Very good. All right, so this pair having the same sign creates a positive sign, right? Everything else after that is positive, so there's nothing else to change the sign back. Negative signs change signs. Positive signs don't. That's just the long and short of it. If you see a minus sign, it'll change a minus to a plus or a plus to a minus. But pluses just keep the sign whatever it was. So when you're looking, and the correct reason, it says give a reason, the correct reason I'm looking for here is even number of negatives. Up till now, we've seen 2 negatives make a positive, right? Notice 2 is an even number, right? 0 negatives also make a positive because 0 is also an even number. 1 negative made a negative because 1's an odd number. All right? So in general, when you're looking at a list of numbers, a bunch of numbers all in a row, all being multiplied, you count up the negatives. How many are there? If that number is even, you get a positive result. Looking at this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 negative signs. That's odd, so it's going to be negative.
Oh.
Reason why is because odd number of negatives. There is a specific reason why this works. Let me show you why in pairs. What do 2 negatives make?
A positive.
A positive. What do these 2 negatives make?
Positive.
Positive. And what do 2 positives make? A positive. And then you're left with how many negatives? 1. So if you have an even number of negatives, you pair them all up, you can make a bunch of positives. If you have an odd number, you always have an extra one left over that's going to create a negative answer. That's why.
That's literally what I put on mine.
What?
That's literally what I put on mine.
Okay, perfect. Okay. So, negative answer, odd number, negative. Again, the numerical value doesn't matter. All right? If you want to multiply it out because you feel like it, that's fine. I'm looking for negative or positive, and because even number of negatives for positive or odd number of negatives for a negative. Every answer is based on how many negatives there are. It doesn't matter how many positives there are. Okay?